Hi, good morning. Yeah. Today I'm going to show a small hack how to keep your eggs in the fridge. Okay, that's all. Yeah. When you're buying, that time you won't realize how dirt will be there in this. Already I washed and I kept it, I forgot to shoot actually. So then you can not very easy. Just when you're bringing, you can put it in the water. After that, you can be after 10 to 15 minutes, put it here, then it will be dry, then you can keep it in the fridge. That's all. Yeah, very easy one and good one also, because you won't realize all the what and all dirt will be going to the fridge. So this is very nice. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.